A question for you कि आप मुझे ये बताइए जो असल स्टेक होल्डर है वोटर वो हमारे सामने नहीं है. You are here before the guardian of the fundamental rights and the most important right is the right to vote. अब question यहाँ पे ये है, there were complaints of जो political party थी PTI, it was consistently complaining that it was not getting a free hand to contest the elections. Level playing field नहीं थी.
वो complaints हमारे सामने नहीं है. Sorry.
Let me just complete.
हमारे सामने आएंगे.
Let me just complete. We are the custodians of the fundamental rights, and those who are not before us, the voters, we need to consider their rights as well. What should be the approach of this court? Challenges were faced by one political party. It was complaining of a coercive apparatus of the state in operation, and it has not happened for the first time. It has been repeatedly happening, and every political party at some time has faced it. We may pretend as if everything is hunky-dory. It is not. What should be the approach? How to secure the right of that voter and not to pretend that everything is hunky-dory?
My Lord, I think the approach should be that the issue which is before your Lordship, and like this issue, which is an election issue, a democracy issue, that the judgment should reflect the true representation of the voter. That is what the approach is.
If I may put what you are saying in different way.